You can set up Fireflies completely, all the way into a working dashboard, without ever entering a credit card. I'm going to show you exactly how, every screen, every choice, so you know precisely what to expect before you sign up yourself. Quick subscribe if you want honest AI tool walkthroughs like this every week. Let's start from the home page. I'll scroll down and click Try Fireflies for free. It gives you one option here, sign in with Google, so I'll click Continue on that. It takes you into a normal Google account creation flow. If you don't already have the email set up the way it wants, enter your email, and click Create Account. From here it's a standard Google setup, type your first and last name, click Next. Then your birth date and gender, click Next again. Then it asks for the Gmail address you actually want to use going forward, type that in, click Next. Dropped back into the Fireflies flow. Now Fireflies shows you a screen asking you to review your meeting settings before going further. I'll just click Continue here. You can always change these later inside settings. Next it asks what you do, sales, engineering, marketing, and a few others. Since I'm testing this for general content, not a specific team role, I'll select others. Then it asks which tools you want to connect right away. Google Drive, Notion, Google Docs, Slack, Calendly. I'll pick Google Drive and Google Docs for now, since those are the ones most people already use, and click Continue. Now it asks you to invite coworkers to your workspace. If you're just testing this solo like I am, you can skip this completely. I'll click Not Now. Here's the important part. It shows a screen saying Start your 7-day free trial. I click Start Free Trial, and then it takes you to a page asking for credit card details. This is the moment to pay attention to. I did not enter anything here. I skipped it completely and just navigated back to the Fireflies website. From the home page, I clicked Try Fireflies for free one more time, and this time it took me straight into the dashboard, no card required, because I'd already created the account in the previous steps. A couple more quick questions before the dashboard opens. First, choose your language. English was already auto-selected, so I just clicked Continue. Then it asks how you heard about Fireflies. I selected Google Search and continued. Last screen before the dashboard, it offers to connect Zoom right away. I'll click Not Now, since you can always connect that later from settings. And that's it. Welcome aboard, Ahmed. Fireflies says it's now ready to automate meetings. This is a genuinely working free account, with no card ever entered. Right on the home screen, there's a capture button, and this is really the heart of the whole tool. Click it, and you get 4 options. Add to Live Meeting, which drops the Fireflies bot straight into a call you're currently on. Schedule New Meeting, which sets it up to auto-join something on your calendar later. Upload audio or video, if you already have a recording sitting on your computer. And Start Recording, for capturing audio directly, no calendar event needed. I haven't run an actual meeting through this yet. That's coming in the next video, where I'll test it live and show you exactly what the transcript, summary, and action items actually look like. One honest thing worth knowing before you sign up yourself, Fireflies will show you a screen saying you're eligible for a 7-day business plan trial. But that trial doesn't actually start until you enter a credit card. Since I skipped that step, I'm not on a trial at all. I'm simply on the permanent free plan, right now, with no clock running and nothing set to expire. I already checked the analytics page, for example, and it's locked behind the business plan, because free doesn't include that, not because a trial ran out. That's the complete free setup, start to finish. Next video, I'm actually recording a real meeting through Fireflies and showing you exactly what it catches, and what it misses. Subscribe so you don't miss that one. Link to try it yourself is in the description. See you in the next one.